Right, brothers and sisters, welcome back to Food Busker. Now, this is episode 4 of the bacon series. If you haven't seen 1 through to 3, then I encourage you to go back because there's lots of stuff that back in those episodes that will explain what's going on in this episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please click the subscribe button. And if you're loving what we're doing, then share it to our other brothers and sisters. This episode is about me making your bacon. Right, people, let's go through the math. 40 of you have ordered 2 packs of 200 grams of bacon. That equals 16 kilograms of pork. Now, that is lower than I was expecting because I had such high interest. Turns out I've got a really global audience and so I can't ship it outside of the UK. Listen, I'm really sorry. I promise that the next time I do something like this, I'll do something that can be shipped internationally. Now, on average, 1 pork belly, that's pork belly. It's how you look at it really. Equals 5 kilograms. So, 16 divided by 5 equals, on average, 3 pork bellies. So I'm going to crack on with the first batch today and then I'm going to do a second batch for any latecomers or anybody that wants to reorder. I'll just keep it in the freezer. I've also dropped a sample in the post to myself and a mate. Yeah, I've sent you a pack as a test.
Oh, no way, man, I cannot wait, thank you.
Legend. Let's get it done. Right, brothers and sisters, first batch of bacon is in, smoking. I'm going to start the second batch tomorrow. Oh, it's a big undertaking actually, like producing a bunch of bacon for 40 people and it's 2 packs, so that's like 80 packs. And filming the whole thing, it's bonkers. So, yeah man, I'm not really set up to do it and so it's a little bit like, oh, hope it'll all go okay. But yeah man, I'm done for today, back at it tomorrow. Peace.
Hottest day of the year so far.
Oh man, today's a good day. So I've got to get second batch done and then the bacon test that I've sent should arrive today. Woo. Hey, oh good man. Okay, thanks a lot. So this is the bacon that I sent to myself and Marcus about 4 days ago. Right, so let's see how it got on. Oh my god. Okay, basically that bacon is just... It's just because it's cling filmed, right? It's sweat and it stinks. I wonder if Marcus got on better. Hello mate, how's it going? How's the bacon?
I'm gonna be honest with you, man. It sucked hard. Stunk up my whole house. You made my housemate sick. Honestly, man, I think you've messed this one up.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna send you some more.
Yeah, whatever, man. Just...
Alright mate, bye. Okay, so cling film's clearly not gonna work. Like I kinda knew that it wouldn't. But I wanted to give it a try and see what I could or could not get away with. But clearly I can't cut any more corners on this. I'm going to have to treat it like a real business. Yeah, I'm going to have to take it up a notch. I'm going to have to entrepreneurial the shit out of this. Right, let's go ring some mates. Alright mate. Hello mate, how's it going? Listen, you know I'm doing this bacon.
Yeah, I know, England.
Yeah, I'm having a few problems with it. I need to borrow your, and I need to get hold of a,
Yeah, I know, but it's the first semi-final we've done in 28 years.
Listen, I promise I'll get it back to you.
I'll look after it, I promise. Yeah, don't worry, what's the worst that could happen?
All right, brother, you're a legend.
All right, I'm on my way now. Right, nip into my local for a little bit of help.
Thank you. To you, that's it. Ben, you're a legend.
No problem. Look after it. And he's back next week. Remember, that's £3
3 grand. All right, brother. See you later.
Say hi, Gina.
Just look in there and say hi.
Hi, Gina.
Welcome to the Food Busker production kitchen. Isn't it cool? I've got all the equipment to absolutely kill this. First up is my meat slicer. This is seriously going to improve my efficiency. I'm going to slice all the bacon and pass it on. Okay, so I'm going to take his bacon, I'm going to put it into these pouches, I'm going to weigh out 200 grams and then I'm going to pass it on. And then I'll take his bacon, I drop it into my vat packer. Now a vat packer is the coolest piece of equipment on the planet. It sucks all the air out, it extends the life of the food packaged in there and it makes it food safe. And I drop it in here. Food Busker bacon. That is so cool, I love it, man. Right, this one is for Marcus. I'm going to get it off to him and then I'm going to smash through the rest of the bacon. Okay, that's me done for the day. I've still got some bacon that's curing, some that's drying and some that needs to be smoked. But get in there now. It's going to take me the rest of the week to smash all that and get it done. And then, yeah man, should be getting ready to start sending you some bacon. So I'll check back in with you at the end of the week. Marcus, my man.
Man, I didn't think you'd be able to do it. I didn't, but this is so good. It's so, man. My faith has been restored. My faith has been restored. You are bringing home the bacon, buddy. Look at this.
Just saying. Food Busker, bringing back the bacon. That's it, my brothers and sisters. The bacon is done and ready for you to receive. I've got the smoked stuff is going to take a little bit longer, but it's all up there on foodbusker.com for you to go and pre-order. I've also made 100 packs of additional bacon. They're the only ones that I'm going to make, so they're going to sell fast. So if you want some and you're interested, then go and buy it now. Go over to foodbusker.com and get your bacon. Bacon is coming home, even if the World Cup's not. So it's silver lining or a bacon port fat lining. Got to work on that.